Hello everyone, welcome to Geeks for Geeks. In this video, we will learn how to print the alternate nodes of the linked list. We will discuss iterative method in this video. So, the problem statement says we have given a linked list. We have to print alternate nodes of the linked list. Let's see some examples first. In the first example, we have given a linked list 1, 8, 3, 10, 17, 22, 29, 42. So we get output as 1, 3, 17, 29 since these are alternate nodes of the linked list. If we take a closer look, what we have to do is printing all the even numbered nodes of the linked list. Let's see second example also. So we have given a linked list 10, 17, 33, 38, 73. We get alternate nodes as 10, 33, 73. Let's now take a look at the algorithm. Start traversing the linked list. We declare a variable count and initialize it with 0. Note that we will consider head node as 0th node of the linked list. Whenever the count is even, we print that node data and move to next node and increment the count by 1. Let's implement it and understand it using an example. So we have linked list here as 8, 23, 11, 29, 12 and we have to print alternate nodes of this linked list. So firstly we pass head as parameter and set count as 0. So initially head will point to 8 and count will be 0. We will then traverse the linked list. Since count is 0 which is even, we will print that node. We then increment the count and move head to next node. Since count is not even, we will not print this node. We simply increment count and move forward. Since count is even, we print this node data and move forward. Since count is odd, we skip this node data and move to next node. Since count is 4 means count is even, we print this node data. Since next of head is null, so we stop the traversal. So we get output as 8, 11, 12. Time complexity of this algorithm is ON since we are linearly traversing the linked list. With this, we end our tutorial. Thank you for watching. Please leave us your likes and comments.